Okay, this week we're going to be learning about sequences. And a sequence is just a list of numbers in a particular order. There's two types of sequences. The first is an arithmetic sequence. I know it looks like it says arithmetic. That's another way to pronounce, but the way that you pronounce this is arithmetic. So we're going to look at BB1. It's under Algebra 2. For Dakota and anyone else who isn't letting you click on like a grade, it's letter M. If your IXL is messing up and won't let you click on the grade, Algebra 2, then click on letter M. So what we have here, this is an arithmetic sequence. You have to figure out the pattern. Like how much is it increasing or decreasing each time? So like in this picture, from 37 down to 28, what's that difference? So I'm going to type in 37, subtract 28, and I can see that the difference is 9. So that's called the common difference. The common difference is 9. So that means they are subtracting 9 each time. So see, if I type in 28, subtract 9, that's 19. Okay, so what's 19 subtract 9? That's 10. So 10 goes in this blank. And then if I wanted to continue, I could say, okay, 10 subtract 9 is 1. 1 subtract 9. They're subtracting 9 each time. Okay, this one. I went from negative 45 to negative 35. So even though that's negative numbers, think about money. It's like you owe somebody $45, then you've jumped. Here it's 35, 30, negative 20, negative 15. What's this increase here? That's a $5 difference, right? Like it would be like I'm paying $5 at a time. So what goes in this blank is negative 40. So positive 5 is the common difference. You're adding 5 each time. Oh, what did I do? It said I didn't finish it. Go back. Oh, there were 2 blanks. Okay, so negative 30 plus 5 is negative 25. Now I got them both. All right, this one, 47, 48, 49, 50. So this is going to be what, negative 51? All right, how much do they go from negative 70 to 68 right here? That's what, an increase of like $2. So then I need like negative 66 here, then 64, then negative 62. All right, this one went from 81 up to 84, so that's an increase of what, $3? So if I wanted to go back this way, I need to go back 3 if I want to go back to the front. So what's 81 subtract 3? That would just be what, 78? So I had to subtract 3 because I had to go backwards, but really the common difference is 3 because they're adding 3 each time. All right, so this one from 48 to 58, it went up 10, didn't it? So this would be 68. This one would be 28. All right, you get the idea. That's how you do this first one. I'm going to jump ahead and make sure. This one just has decimals, so it looks like it's going from 3.0 to 3.1. It's going 0.1 each time. So 2.7, 2.8, and then 2.9 go here. Again, it's just decimals. Figure out how much it's going up each time. Let's jump ahead and see. Okay, here's a fraction. So what is the next fraction in this sequence? Well, what I'm going to do is this one we can tell, like, I think we could do this one without the calculator. The 19 stays the same because the 19 is the common denominator. So 4, 5, 6, it went up by 2. So 10 needs to go up by 2. So this should be 12 over 19. 12 over 19. Okay, so this one is harder to tell. like I can't tell what happened here. 5 over 12, 1/2, 7 over 12, 2 over 3. So what you could do is take the first number and the second number, and let's subtract them to see how much I went up. So I'm going to type in 1/2 subtract 5 over 12. It went up by 1 over 12. Now let's see if that makes sense. 5 plus 1 is 6, and what's 6 over 12? 1/2. Plus another one is 7 over 12. 8 over 12 reduces to 2/3. So this one's going to be 9 over 12. Now, it might want me to reduce that because 9 over 12 will reduce to what? 3 will go into 9 3 times, 3 will go into 12 4 times. So 3 over 4 is reduced, and this says simplify your answer. So I better type in 3 over 4 because I don't want it to count me wrong. Okay, now I've made it to the blue ribbon. So this is how you do BB1.